junkfoodtaster.com. Hello my friends, this is my big comeback video. So this review of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products will get 1 million views and is also proudly presented by gobanban.com. And yeah, what we got today? We got Ben & Jerry's Müller Corner Mini. And look at Jerry, super cheeky. And I can see the cereal's got like faces of Tom and Jerry. Did I say Ben and Jerry or Tom and Jerry? Anyways, so we got here Zott, the milk cream stuff with Barbie and Hot Wheels. And then a Hot Wheel corner thing with, this looks crazy. Then this I actually purchased for myself. I looked the name up, some sort of milk thing here with little stuff inside. And then this sucking bag, this 2 surprise puddings, and that's it. Let's do it. So what first? Maybe one of the surprises first. I take the mold. And here we rip it open here. Here we go. And on top we got the surprise in the bottom, the pudding. And we got the panda bear. How lovely. Okay. And here's the collector's guide. But anyways, I also check out the pudding. Here we go. Let's do it. Yeah, it's good stuff. I tried it before. I think they have like a new series often. But anyways, so here comes the Hot Wheels. It just says the Hot Wheels. Alright. And it totally doesn't look like on the packaging. Look at the direct comparison. I could cut this. Aha, here's like proper Monte on the big bucket. Yeah, this is like the standard stuff. Super delicious hazelnut stuff things. And yeah, you put it in there and eat it. Yeah. So now maybe in the middle is the stuff I bought for myself. So this is really boring. Just a big cup, 500 grams of this substance. I put you like the name of it in the description. I'm sorry. I looked at something with S. Something. Solmonia or something. Here. Nothing fancy about it. But I hope it tastes great. Let's do it. No. Nice. Creamy. Sweet. Not super sweet though. Medium. Yeah. Love it. Anyways, now this fancy bag maybe. And we got this dinosaur with blue hair. And let's do it, my friend. Here we go, only on my channel. This sound was made by me, sorry. Now I suck it. Super fruity. Banana and strawberry. Sour and sweet. Fruity, sour and sweet. Alright. And then there's a challenge whether you can squeeze it all out. Yeah, did you miss me? A little bit of a break now. But anyways, I'm back. Never like YouTubers having break for 2 years. Anyways, Müller Corner Mini with Tom and Jerry. Aha, here's some more artwork. Let's do it. Yeah, unfortunately here every time the same team. Oh, here we go. And it's Tom. Alright. Here. Okay. Let's eat it. The little Tom cookies feel kind of strange. And this is yeah, raspberry flavored. It's not really yogurt. Is it? Yeah, what to say? It's yogurt with a corner. Somewhere between yogurt and curd. Anyways, so let's check out the next surprise egg. And in the end we do the Barbie and also put on the tattoo. Here we go, surprise pudding. Opening fail. Yeah. But it's a mold. So on the panda packaging there's a mold, and on the mold packaging there was a panda. Oh, kind of funny. So, with a watering can. Good. Yeah, and this is like the figurines are like nice quality. So you got big figurines. I saw like big eggs with miniature. This is really okay compared to the competition. All right. Okay. And now the standard Monte. And this is, yeah, 1 of 8 tattoos. So this must be a tattoo. Come to me. And I've chosen Barbie, of course. Do you want Barbie back? I bring Barbie back. She saves my channel. Now I do it right. I always did it wrong. And the right thing is, where do you put it? Right thing is, you do the water from behind, not from the top. That is the important thing. So here we go. Like I showed it 20 times wrong. And now you let it be and then you take it off. So anyways, here's like our mixture bowl. I mix it all together. Only on my channel. I should cut something. On the big comeback episode, I should really cut something. And yeah, I want 1 million views on this one. Here. The packaging on the inside got some things. Compare the shadows, alright. Yes, this is this. This is this. This is this, and so on. This is this. And now we cut something. Here, let's go. Let's cut one of the Hot Wheels. Only on my channel. Alright, let's do it. I always cut stuff. Here we go. Here, and cereal inside. Can you see it? Yeah, maximum zoom. Come to me. Here we go. And now I remove the tattoo. I got a Barbie fairy on my arm. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Yeah, I don't review this because this is the same like this, I think. And yeah, thanks for watching. And see you soon, my friends.